market's pumping hard. It rejected my level already of Wednesday's high pretty strongly. But I don't really have a lot of levels as of right now. So market's pretty volatile right now. So opening print. Okay, so my opinion is that what it's gonna do is gonna come down, try to figure out, where it can grab liquidity and then continue higher. My opinion. Opening print is right there, so um, yeah, although I need to do a little bit more levels higher, like let's see. Damn, what a move. Like it flashed again. Alright, let's see, 1 hour. We got that level. I don't think that was a morning high. We got that level. We got here, 47. We got flashing again. I don't know what's up with the screen. Alright, let's see. Another flash on the screen. Another flash on the screen. I don't know what's wrong. Alright, let's go to this. We got this. We got this. MNQ, MNQ. I have some levels I have to take off here. I didn't do it already, that 1 hour. Let's see. MNQ. We're doing 4. And the settings are going to be 200, 800. $200, $800 to get out of here. Let's do the 5-minute right there. guess I'll just keep all that. This might be a case of just it pumping, to be honest. Let's see, turn on my laptop. Apple's pumping hard. Nvidia pumping. They're pumping, but they're not. They're getting to their highs, so. Everything's in 5 minutes. Okay. Alright. Let's see. If I'm gonna go into this trade long, I need to get down to this 40 bounce. Get some light in here. do it like that. Kind of want to go short right now. I need to push up a failure to go higher, and then I can go short with my stop above the 1 hour level. That's my play right now. Let's push up to like 120, and then failure to go higher, and then I can go short. Like right here's a decent spot to stop right here. But let's wait, because it's a better spot. Or this is if it breaks the high again. I think I'm gonna buy. If I buy, I have to go to 200. Let's see. Alright, we got this right here too. How the account looks like. hesitant to pull the trigger right there. The thing's gonna go lower. Alright.
Order filled.
Yeah. To go lower. I'm in for a sell. Under points is perfect at the highs right here. Let's see. That's right below the opening print, so that's what the morning high or whatever's right there. It's battling right here. It's still heavy. We need to break right here. We needed to break this 30. We needed to break 30. And failure to go lower right now. It's holding that 20 EMA right now on the 5-minute. We needed to flush down more. It's trying to. I'm trying. I don't know if we're gonna get it though. Keep pushing lower, keep pushing lower. There you go, come on, sweep, 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 sweep that. There you go. Buyers popped it back up right there. Not good. Right at 30. Consolidation. So there we go. All right. Let's see, are you gonna go? The one good thing about my stop is it's above the second red candle of the 5 minute, so it's right below the opening print, which kind of sucks, but it's above the morning high, which I had um, as a number right there, so that's good. 3 out of the big four are red. I think there's gonna be like traders trying to go long here, and then just continue short. Like, I think it'll go to yesterday's low. There you go, lower low. This 1 hour right there. Continue lower. Continue to down. Hey, that's gonna be a good area for TP. Wish I would have been able to take the trade earlier. Like, potentially right here somehow. Stop above right here. But 7 o'clock. We got my level holding up somehow. Come on, put it to go higher, push lower. Yep, there we go. Push, 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 push. Push, push lower. That level. And my stop is above the 90 EMA too. Like, everything is good for this short. Buyers are stepping in right there at the 22,000. But if it's really going to go short, then big four red. That's probably a little scalp when you. Let's just break 22,000, then I can make some coffee. Let's break 22,000. Steam into the EMA. Can't break 2027. Let's go. Yep, there we go. Break that wick. Previous candle's wick at 08. Let's go lower. There we go. All right, now we're at the break 22,000. We're defending that area right now, but big four are red. For as long as if you break this wick right here, boom, long, stop below the lows, which is probably gonna happen right now. Yep. Come on, sellers, keep driving the price down. Yeah, you see. See, that was what I was worried about right there. Right here, ready to go lower. Breaks this candle wick, and now it's like this move is, well, that's pretty good. This move is, yeah, 100 points, but let's go. Fake out. Come on. Those buyers stepping up though. Alright, I'm gonna make coffee. Let's see what happens. Little consolidation area. What do you say? 70 points. There you go. Let's go. Push, push, push. Push. Yeah. There's VWAP traders right there. Let's just push through the VWAP traders. Let's see where the liquidity's at. A lot of liquidity lower. He wants to reverse that whole move.
That's not looking super strong here. So we get one more sign of life. that's downside. Positive. I like to do that, which is basically like I want
VWAP traders on me. Well, VWAP, did you really get that VWAP hold so far? That's annoying. Oh, we still got a lot to go through. Rejection off the 22,000 again. That's good. And that's gonna just tank these VWAP traders. Big four of red. Slightly though. Microsoft is under the EMAs. Oh, I have two Microsofts. What the heck? What am I missing? Amazon? Yeah. Morning. Did you trade?
Not yet.
Trying to crush it.
Crushing it.
I'm only up 65 pips with no drawdown.
Straight
I kind of just like, in a way, I kind of, I want to say YOLO'd, but like, I just went with it. I think I saw like this not holding up anymore. Because I was thinking like, well, maybe go long here. But when I started seeing it not hold up anymore, I just went short. But I really wanted to go short. Look at my level perfect up here, this 1 hour. I really wanted to go short when it started rejecting here, this Wednesday high. But I didn't want it to come back up again and fake out right here. And it wouldn't have been 25 points. So I was like hesitant. So let's see this smash. So I think it could like, so I think what it's doing, I think it's going to reverse this whole thing. And look at my TP is perfect at these highs off the 5 minute. So it might come right here, and the morning low is all the way down here. So it can go to yesterday's low. It can go to these highs. The only thing is at 47. I don't want it to stop at 50. All stupid, but and the big four look good. They're red. So I'm gonna just keep the well. That's the plan. I always try to keep the trade on. So VWAP kind of holding again, which is annoying. But I have 22,000 and this level to like, you know, and the EMAs on the 1 minute are coming. And then now there's traders waiting for this crossover on the 5. they won't get in until the
Yeah.
crossover. So my stop is all the way up here.
Yeah.
So
We should be covered.
we should be covered. I just need a clean break of this VWAP. Which
I was waiting for it to, or initially it swept liquidity in the morning. Swept liquidity. I was waiting for it to go to another liquidity because I think where that 1 hour is or a little bit higher. There's like from yesterday, there's like three equal highs right there. So I was like, oh, it's a good draw. I was like, oh, it's a good draw. Like it's gonna go there, but it didn't end up going. And then obviously they formed some fair value gaps. It actually came to like this right here was a fair value gap on the 5 minute, and it like retested it.
Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah. But I just didn't like how it was just one wick.
Yeah.
Because honestly, it might even go back to there and hold it and continue back down. If it does that, I probably might get in. But if not, I'm waiting for it to inverse this fair value gap, this one, and then like maybe make another one and just catch like a small 2R to the low.
Yeah.
Before, I honestly don't doubt if it reverses it too.
I know.
Yeah. Or like if it just ranges halfway after that.
Yeah, I need, if this doesn't push, if it still doesn't start pushing and breaking this, if it starts breaking this, I think I'm kind of screwed. But if it doesn't, like if it's holding like right now and it doesn't push, this is gonna get swept and it's gonna go.
Yeah, no, it'll go lower.
It's gonna go down here somewhere.
For sure. Yeah, I might go back to that fair value gap.
So we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. But actually, it was pretty good price action today.
It was good price action.
Yeah.
Even I was like, I was hesitant to go long because there was a lot of areas that could resist.
Yeah.
So I was like, like every level there was like 30 points, 30 points, or 25 points. I'm like, well, the fuck? If I go long, I can get I can get wrecked. Right?
Yeah.
So I was just kind of hesitant to go long.
My only initial long, I knew that it was just either go long or go short to like these lows to sweep liquidity and either continue back up or go up like it did to sweep liquidity and go down. But my only initial long was the morning. It had like made like a small fair value gap. It went and like filled it, and then after it pushed up, and I could have caught a 2R to the high. Yeah. But I was just like, I don't want to risk it. Yeah. But I mean, it would have worked.
Oh, VWAP's holding right now. So that sucks.
Order filled.
Oh, I got it. Yeah. Let's go. Dog, it tanked. I should have. That's the thing, is that like you want to go and be more, but I don't know how to. Like, dog, it just started going. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Right after I got taken out for my TP, it tanked like 60 more points.
It just started tanking. Wow.
It just started tanking.
I know.
And look at my TP was at 47, so that kind of like it was at 47. It went down to 90. That was 57 points, dog, in like right away, like in 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. Because like I guess, well, I would be more pissed off if I had my stop or my TP right here and then it used these highs as fucking support.
Yeah.
But that's the thing, is like if you have a systematic, like I hit 2 back-to-backs on this account. This is my 3rd account. So 2 trains, 2. So now I need, and of course I size down by 1 contract, which is a lot because it's 160 bucks times 2. That's 320. So I should be up like, 2K. But yeah, this right here, like I said, I was looking at this. This is the 1 minute. And I started doing levels late. This computer always does that. And I'm like, okay, like this was like the push, it comes down and then just pumps. This pumps, right? It pumps, and then using this as resistance goes up. But I'm like, okay, every spot that I have that's a level, like okay, Wednesday high. I told myself I'm not longing the highs of the morning, or like look at how close this high is. Like, what am I gonna get from here?
Yeah.
Even to go to this level, like that's 60 points. I would have to go all the way to this level.
Yeah.
You know, but this level was a good level. I don't know why it does that. Like, I think that was the 1 hour. So these right here.
Yeah.
That's what I saw, and then saw that body, and then this support right here that it bounced to continue higher. So I thought that level was good, and it was really good actually. So I'm like, and then it's like the next one, but if it doesn't push this, I'm screwed.
Yeah, if it doesn't go through and just holds it, it's just gonna fully reverse.
Then I was looking at the bottoms. I'm like, okay, where can I, like, if it's gonna come back down? I said, okay, this one, good, touch, right here, resistance. And then after that, I don't know. I just there's stuff right here, but I don't know why this computer does that.
And like,
if like it's flashing, you see. So, anyways, all right, I'm on the stream. No, not there. Let's see. Look at it, it's bouncing now. Look at that. So it went exactly where it wanted to go, which is cover this this move, this big
Yeah.
move, it covered it all pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah, the gap.
And then now it's potentially gonna run higher. If not, then it's gonna continue all the way down here.
I know.
What do you think?
I mean, right now it's making a good fair value gap. It closed this bullish one, which was the gap. So, but it's gonna make this one a nice bearish one.
Oh, bearish one, huh? Yeah.
So it'll probably just come retest that and go down.
2 morning lows.
Because in order for it to be like a good like full change of direction, if they're stacked up for value gaps like that, it needs to inverse the bottom one completely. Like the lowest one out of all of them. And that one that I just took away was that lowest one. That's why I was waiting for it.
Oh, okay.
Because now it's like, okay, like we're really like gonna go down because it inversed all of it. So now, yeah, I mean, I should just tap into this and continue along. This could actually be a good entry, and then just target the low.
Yeah.
That's it.
Right.
And it's a good.
Look at that move up here, like from the. I said, I even said it on the stream. I said, "Damn, I wanted it to pop up more. I wanted it to get. I said I wanted to get to 20, and not break, make a lower high, and then when it started coming down, get in, and then my stop would cover this high. But it never did again. It went right here. But the only reason why I didn't get right here is because that's 30 points.
Oh yeah, and it could have went.
And it could have went rejected, and I would have been pissed if that happened. So that's why I didn't get in.
Yeah.
So.
Where did you get in? Oh, right there off the 1 hour. Once it broke that.
I got entry. It was at 653 at 47. So 653. No, 653. Yeah, 47. So I saw this. It came back up. My morning high's right there, and I know and it started to come back down.
Yeah.
And I just said I was in the middle of this green candle, right? But on the red candle, right? So I was in on the red candle.
Okay.
And this was like halfway, and I said, "Fuck it, I'm gonna get in."
Yeah.
And my stop covers. It was like right at the opening print, which covers the morning high too. Well, I don't know how true the morning high was because I tried to level, but it kept going higher.
Really? Oh,
in the morning, so it kept pushing, so I had to keep moving it. So
no, honestly, that could have been another. The guy that I watched probably got in there if he didn't wait for a retest or something, because that was like break a structure. Like that was the low of the market open.
Yeah.
When you got in, basically.
653. So that would be.
So that one, that's actually good.
Yeah, and then this one, and at 47. Yeah, I had probably like less than 5 pips drawdown. And just went. So what, you think on the 5 minute it could see? There's the thing too, is that look at VWAPs right here, all the EMAs are down, so like it has to, in order to push, it has to push it all, right?
Yeah, it has to
be strong. Buyers have to just come in.
No, I think it's gonna hold this right here.
What?
This
for short?
Yeah. It's already tapping in and rejecting it.